Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. Today we have Professor Peter Neubauer from TU Berlin with us. Thank you very much for joining us. Could you kindly introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Dr Neubauer. I'm a professor for bioprocess engineering at the TU Berlin. So we run a big developmental laboratory with different sections. So we have a pilot plant where we can cultivate microbial cells up to 200 liters. And we also have high throughput laboratory, which we have developed as a laboratory of the future, where we aim to develop bioprocesses mainly person independent by the combination of robotics and digital data storage and at-line evaluation of the data and use of the data by mathematical models.
Could you share more about the laboratory and the main focus?
Yes, our main focus is on proteins. So we very much work with recombinant processes, mainly with E. coli, but also with yeast and other bacteria. And our aim always is to get the product in high yield and also high quality, which considers the product itself in connection to the amino acid composition, in connection to the folding, and also in connection to the possibility to purify the product. Yeah. All our focus is mainly on the upstream development. That means the development of the fermentation processes. So we generally use the fed batch technology, and we use this technology in larger scale, as this is a standard-wise used as a glucose limited fed batch. But in especially in the small scale, that means in the high throughput bioprocess development, we are using also our own developed Empresso technology, which allows internal feeding of glucose from a glucose-based polymer by addition of a biocatalyst. This allows us then to perform miniature scale high cell density fermentations in a controlled way, also in systems where we cannot guarantee a continuous feeding by feeding pumps or so, because we are using with the Empresso technology the ability to feed the glucose internally.
Thank you, Professor. And what do you look forward to at Global Bioprocessing Summit?
Yeah, I know this summit. I have been there in this and similar summits before. I think we are in a very interesting times where I think major developments go in the direction of really how to digitalize laboratory data, how to combine all the elements of bioprocess development, and how to automate all the procedures in the laboratory. And I'm especially interested to see how other companies and academic institutions go for connecting to really make efficient experiments by combining robots, digitalization, and mathematical modeling.
Thank you, Professor. So, ladies and gentlemen, do join us on 10th to 12th of May in Berlin and sign up for the event so that you can visit the laboratory at TU Berlin and get in touch with Professor Neubauer more to find out what they do and how their work can support your work as well. So we'll see you in May. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.